Somebody is definitely interested in fixing this Airstream up. In fact, she is already back here getting ready to work on it. We just went for a 3-mile run, and first thing she wanted to do after that is come back here and start working on this. You ready to get this thing in shape?
Look, I have a lot of faith in your abilities, but this thing's pretty beat up. Well, you give me a job to do.
Okay, here's the thing. Are we gonna have propane in this thing? Because if we're not, we should sell these and put the money towards.
I don't think we're ready to make that decision yet.
And if we are, I mean, those are nice to have.
I don't think we're ready to make that decision yet. I mean,
the thing about this thing is that we can't hurt it.
Okay, well, let's do something.
Okay, you want to strip everything out? What I wanted to do, I wanted to leave this stuff in here until we get this back here fixed.
I want to get everything out so we can take the floor out so you can see how bad the floor is. You might have to replace
I
the
can't
whole
work
floor.
in here if the floor's up, though.
But you might have to replace the whole floor.
Well, do you want to do the floor first? We can't do the floor first because if it leaks in here, it'll ruin the floor that we put in here. That's why the roof's got to come first.
I'm saying take this vinyl up. And
We can take the vinyl up.
And clean. Where's the shop vac? We need a shop vac.
We'll go get one. I got it in there. Yeah, we do need to pull it up and see how much that we have to have, how much work we have to do. Okay, we're not going to use that, so that'll come out. We'll take that out, and we're not going to use this either. But that needs to come out because we're going to have to do the floor over there. So I agree in taking that out.
Just give me something to do.
I won't save that.
Yeah, I mean,
the TV can go.
I can't pick up the TV.
Are you kidding?
I just ran 3 miles. I'm
Angel,
out.
you work out with like 15-pound weights in each arm.
I can throw things away. I'm not going to let him change his mind.
That's good wood right there, man.
Oh gosh.
That's old school good wood. No. She's a trooper trying this anyway. If this doesn't work out, I'm just gonna buy her a new trailer. We'll just do that. That's the case where you don't build it and you do buy it. So.
Okay. I've talked him into throwing stuff away. This is a good day. Oh, I don't know about this. I'm putting it out here and then we're going to bring it to the trash pile.
Yeah, it's like warped down in it. But I don't think it's warped on the roof up there. That feels pretty good up there. Like the front half of this trailer is in fairly good shape.
Phillips head.
I need to get rid of this water.
I don't know if it's going backwards or forwards.
Look at the way it spins.
I'm taking this
Before
down.
you drill, look at the way it spins.
Taking down the only thing that works in here, a paper towel roll.
Stop working, we gotta get rid of it. Alright, you starting to look like you're drilling that.
Okay, this ain't working.
Which way's the spin, baby?
Well, I don't think I'm drilling it.
You need your glasses. You just took that out.
First off, I don't wear glasses.
Push. You gotta push on it. That's the secret, you gotta push.
Okay, Mark.
There's nothing needed in it.
Okay. If you're gonna micromanage this, see this.
Alright, I'm just gonna go mind my own business. Gotta get a drill and some gloves. You want some gloves?
No, I don't want gloves. Gloves are for panning.
Yeah, look, he's been in here. Oh man, he's been all the way up in here.
Who is he?
The guy who had it before us. I think they replaced all the way up through here.
Is that good or bad?
That's not good.
Well,
because he didn't do a very good job of it.
We'll show them what the floor looks like.
Yep, I am thinking. Yeah, so somebody else has got has already done some work on here. Put some Luan down, and already did flooring up to here somewhere.
Well, take this off.
I thought it was just this part right here, but he's been up in here too. I bet the whole frame on here needs to be done. If we get into that far, we got to redo this whole thing.
Well, we can't have a floor that dips in the middle.
That's what I'm saying. I know. I mean, I can rebuild it up to where, but otherwise we're gonna have to redo the whole floor, like the whole bottom end of it. And I bet you there's rust like that up in here too. Is it worth saving? Do we want to rescue this thing?
Why are you just not asking me that after we're out here working on it? I don't understand this. Move.
No, I'm just asking you before we get into it because I'm telling you it's going to be a big project. It keeps getting bigger.
Why does that make it seem to be a
because we're going to have to pull all this floor up through here and redo all the floor all the way back. Which I'm down for doing if you like this trailer well enough. I do. I like it.
I mean, I don't know.
Well, yeah.
Can the roof be fixed?
Oh, it can be fixed, but I mean, ideally buy a new end cap, and then I've got the aluminum for that.
We're not going to do that, because if you find one...
I know. We might as well just buy another one. Got to see if I can repair that before we do anything. Like, I'll rip that tarp off there. It's you know, raining in here anyway. We'll take a look and see the damage from the outside. You want to do that right now?
Let's do that. I mean, if we could find one like for $5,000, like 25 foot or less.
Yeah. I just don't think we'll find one for that. But I can't say you won't, because I did find that one.
Yeah.
But they all need floors in them, though. Every one of them practically needs a floor in them.
Yeah.
It would be rare, very rare to find one that doesn't. As soon as I pull this off, it's going to start pouring.
As soon as you pull that off, it's gonna just fall into itself. What we should have done is bought a $1,500 travel trailer you pull behind the truck that we already have, so we could be going on trips with Hayden right now. Is really what we should be doing.
You're probably right.
Actually, I like the box camper van. We just can't bring his friends with it because there's nowhere for his friends to ride in the vehicle. Wonder why he didn't take insurance money and get fixed.
Yeah, I wonder why. Right.
Or maybe he did take insurance money and just kept it.
Maybe. But those are big wrinkles. Those will come out. They're little tight wrinkles that are hard to get out.
I mean, this is a 2 or 3 year project right here.
Yeah, you're right.
Which is okay if we're going to full-time it eventually.
Believe it or not, that actually looks better than I thought it would have. That looks doable.
We got the box camper van for that.
We can't do that with. We need to bring his friends with him. We need to sell the box camper.
No.
And get a travel trailer, tow it behind the new truck. That's what we need to do.
First off, I'm not driving that big old truck. Secondly, we're not selling the box truck. We're taking the box camper van around the country.
That box camper van is not great for 3 people, much less 4.
I'm saying you and I.
Angel, I don't know.
I thought you were going to beat on it. Give us an action.
I am. I've got to get my torch out and torch it, though. You want me to do it?
Well, you can't just get a hammer?
No, because what I've got to do is anneal the aluminum and make it soft, and then I can beat it out. Because right now it's stubborn. It didn't want to move. Yeah, let's see what I can do with this right now. I just opened that up. I couldn't get to it before. Trying to massage it out.
I mean, that's pretty flimsy to be the outside of a trailer.
Huh?
That's kind of flimsy, isn't it?
Yeah, that's real flimsy. How's it look?
Perfect.
No.
I mean, it looks good except for like right here.
You come look at that. I came out of you're not thought.
I mean, now it's like rippled a little bit.
Yeah, but you can do the finishing touches, especially if I get this thing off there. That's not bad. I mean, you can get a planishing hammer and get all the other stuff out. Oh, there's another one. This is easier than I thought.
I know, but how can like it be safe to be like?
It's not about safety, Angel.
I'm just saying, how can the outside of an Airstream be so flimsy?
It's like an airplane.
Are we putting 2x4s in there, please?
For what? What are you
like
gonna,
it's
you can't ride
structure.
going down the street.
Why do we have a toilet in the backyard? That is really redneck.
Well, I gotta throw it away.
Oh, thank goodness.
Let's
put a bunch of windows in. You won't even notice.
Yeah.
Put a skylight in.
We'll just make the whole back window. Oh, we'll make a porch back here. No, seriously, we'll put sliding glass doors right there.
No,
We'll just cut it off right there and make a porch. Somebody said make a toy hauler out of it. kind of fun removing dents. Tearing this stuff out of here is not fun, but...
I think I did enough work for the day. I need to take a shower. I'm getting hot.
Quitting on me?
Well, there's nothing I can do.
I'm just kidding. It's time to take a break anyway.
No, not you, just me.
Hey, if we get out here and clean this thing up, it's going to give a little incentive too. Because it's in good shape right here. It's in real good shape right here. Yeah, I'll polish it up.
I mean, you're going to make it shiny?
Yeah. In fact, it might distract from the dents that are back here. That's not bad. That was a big dent in there. These are a little more complicated, but like I haven't even got a dolly on this yet. And I need to put heat on that. All that area right there, since it's so tight and wrinkled up, I need to heat it up.
But what's hidden underneath the black tarp? That's my concern.
Well, the tree fell right here. So that right there, you can see from inside. I've already got the metal pulled back. Oh. And the air conditioning unit's on the top up there. And we're going to pull that off and put a new one on there. We can do this.
I'm not too good at this, Captain. You think it's savable? No? Tell me. Yeah? You think we can fix it? Oh. He says that he didn't think so. Is that what you said? Is that what you said? Or he either said, yes, let's do it.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.